Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to restore a Cryptomator vault step by step. Restoring a vault lets you recover your encrypted files from a backup after replacing your computer, reinstalling your operating system, or recovering from data loss. So let's get started. First, make sure you have a complete backup of your Cryptomator vault folder. If Cryptomator isn't installed on your computer yet, download and install the latest version before continuing. Next, copy the backed up vault folder to the location where you want to store it, such as your local drive or a cloud storage folder. Be sure to copy the entire vault folder without changing any of its files or folder structure, since modifying the encrypted files could prevent the vault from opening properly. Now open Cryptomator and click Add Existing Vault. Browse to the restored vault folder, select the vault configuration file if prompted, and add it to Cryptomator. Once the vault has been added, click Unlock and enter your original vault password. If the password is correct, Cryptomator will mount the vault as a virtual drive or open it as a folder, depending on your operating system. Open the mounted vault using File Explorer on Windows, Finder on macOS, or your preferred Linux file manager to verify that your files are available. Check a few folders and documents to make sure the restoration was successful. Finally, if you restored the vault to a cloud storage folder, allow your cloud service enough time to finish syncing before making major changes. This helps avoid sync conflicts and ensures your encrypted data stays consistent across all your devices. And that's it. You now know how to restore a Cryptomator vault from a backup and securely regain access to your encrypted files. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next